In Vajrayana, it is crucial to see one's Root Lama as the manifestation of all Buddhas of the three times. It is impossible to receive the blessings of the Oral Transmission Lineage without having pure faith in him. Not seeing one's Lama as all Buddhas is as if one had no Lama or spiritual guide to begin with. Should a disciple have no faith in the teachings he or she receives from the Lama, it is as though he or she had never learned. In the beginning, the guru-disciple relationship seems to be very easy and rewarding. One does as told because one trusts one's Lama. When one receives new teachings, one is enthused and jumps into a new practice. But if one doesn't integrate the practice in one's life, one actually cannot experience beneficial results. If one doesn't see one's Lama as the Buddha of the three times, one's vision of him remains dark and eventually fades. In the absence of genuine faith and devotion, one's Lama's blessings do not reach one. Consequently, the benefits of practice do not affect one. We ask our Lama for his blessings so that we generate sincere and unwavering devotion and faith.